Take 3. Wabikizi.
Wabikizi.
Makadewaabikizi.
Wabikizi.
Take final one. Colder than the moon. Well, it's been so long. Colder than DIBIK-GIIZIS. Hey, BOOZHOO.
BOOZHOO.
Welcome back to the show. DIBIK-GIIZIS. That's our word for the moon. It's like the nighttime sun. GIIZIS. And tonight it's going to be a Makadewaabikizi.
Oh, what?
Makadewaabikizi. There's going to be a lunar eclipse. And in fact, it's going to be a what they call ODE'IMINI DIBIK-GIIZIS. It's going to be a strawberry moon. So like the other day, we were talking about how June is known as the strawberry moon.
Yeah.
You know, the month of the strawberry moon. And I was like, why do they call it that? And I didn't really know. I thought it was because it's strawberry harvesting time or something. But maybe it had something to do with the strawberry moon, like when the moon turns red.
Oh, yeah.
Or pink, or whatever color it's going to be tonight. Although I'm not sure we see it over here. I think it might be the strawberry moon in somewhere else. I don't know. Honestly, I don't understand how any of that works.
Me either.
The DIBIK-GIIZIS. Old grandmother moon. She's such a mystery.
Yeah.
Nobody really knows anything about anything. You know. I was talking about the moon landing yesterday, and it's just the moon. I mean, scientists are real cocky about it. Oh, this is what we know. Oh, really? Because every theory sounds ridiculous. I was watching this video, and this guy had a thermometer. And he goes, look at this. And he had the thermometer in the moonlight. It was a full moon. And he tested the temperature. And then he went into the shade. Because that's how bright it is on full moon nights.
Yeah.
You know? There's actually shade at night. And he had this little electric thermometer. He goes, look at that. It's actually warmer in the shade.
Oh, what?
And you go, what? Well, yeah, the moon, it's cold.
Yeah.
It sends off a cold light. And so when David Bowie sang, colder than the moon, I mean, it was actually right.
That's
the moon is cold.
Huh.
Has a cold light. So the sun has a hot light, and the moon has a cold light. So, ask your science teacher about that one. How come the moon it has cold light?
Right.
I thought it was reflecting the sun. And it's so bright. Okay, so back to the moon landing. You think about those pictures from the moon and how bright the moon is. And how, like, when the further away you get from a light, the dimmer it gets. Well, if you were standing on the moon like they said they were, it would have been so bright.
Yeah. Huh.
It would have been like standing on a light bulb. But so obviously, that's not what happened.
Yeah.
All right. So, I'm going to cut it off right there. I want to say thank you so much for watching. BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO. Our word today, DIBIK-GIIZIS, the moon. Or maybe it's Makadewaabikizi. Makadewaabikizi, lunar eclipse. Or maybe it's DIBIK-GIIZIS Minawa. I'll see you again. Oh, what?
DIBIK-GIIZIS Minawa. I'll see you again.
Oh, sweetie, will you tell them about Patreon?
Oh, right. Almost forgot. Hey, everyone. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like the show. And if you'd like to support the show, please click the link to Patreon, and you can become a monthly supporter of the show. And, or you can just leave us a tip at PayPal. All right. Good enough?
Yeah, that was great.
Okay. See you later.
All right. So, this morning's song is a song that was one of my grandmother's favorites. And this song, which I'm going to record. Maybe I didn't love you quite as often as I could have. Maybe I didn't treat you quite as good as I should have. And if I made you feel second best, girl, I'm sorry I was blind. You were always on my mind. You were always on my mind. Maybe I didn't hold you all those lonely, lonely nights. And I guess I never told you I'm so happy that you're mine. Little things I should have said and done, I just never took the time. You were always on my mind. You were always on my mind. Tell me that your sweet love hasn't died. And give me one more chance to keep you satisfied. I'll keep you satisfied. Little things I should have said and done, I just never took the time. You were always on my mind. You were always on my mind. Oh, wow.
That was beautiful.
Yeah, that was great, Niji. Hey, thanks.